Hi guys, so I am back with another food coloring, I am back with another food challenge video. I'm really ready for this. I already did black and pink food. The most requested color was blue, so I'm doing blue today. I'm wearing blue. This set is from Fabletics. It's super cute and so comfy. This is not sponsored, by the way. I wish it was. That'd be cool if it was. All I can think of is like blueberry flavored stuff. I can't talk. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just a little bell thing, so definitely click it. And also follow me on Instagram because oh my gosh. This thing is so low. We need to go to the grocery store and get a whole bunch of blue food because I am hungry. Also, Toby is my mood right now. They've literally taken over this couch. I don't know if you guys can see how much hair and how much they've scratched this up. They're like, this is my couch now, right? So let's go to the grocery store. Obviously, you guys know the drill. We have to go to the grocery store because I don't really have that much blue food laying around, you know? We're at the grocery store and let's go inside. Let's go. This is really hard. I say that every time, but this is really hard. At this point, I feel like yellow would be like the easiest color to do this challenge for. I just keep choosing the hardest ones. What is this? Mug treats? Can I get it because it's blueberry? Oh my gosh, these look so good. I mean, it is kind of blue, right? Look at all of that blue. We got all of our food. Usually in these types of videos, I go to Starbucks after the grocery store and get whatever color drink I'm supposed. So, okay, can't talk. But usually I go to Starbucks after the grocery store and get that color. So we're gonna change it up because that kind of gets like a little repetitive. So instead of Starbucks, we're gonna go get some boba. Hopefully they have like blue colored boba. Let's do that. Hi, do you guys have any like blue colored drinks at all?
We don't have any blue color.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Well, that was a fail. That was really awkward because there's like 3 people behind me and I was like, do you guys have like a blue colored drink? So they don't have it and I should have just went to Starbucks and got one of their blue drinks. Dang it. I'm too lazy to turn around and go to Starbucks, honestly. I'll get over it. I guess we'll open up one of these. I really have to poop. Oh, also, if you're a guy watching this, girls don't poop, okay? Instead of Starbucks, we're gonna pop this open, and this is the sparkling ice plus caffeine blue raspberry sparkling water, and it has antioxidants and vitamins. This will do. Okay, that's actually really bomb. How much caffeine is in this? 70 milligrams of caffeine. This is gonna make me need to poop even more. Let's be real. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I will be right back. I'm gonna go home because we're not trying to have an accident. Okay, we made it back home and now I need to do the iconic popping sound clip of all the food. You know what I mean? Okay. Breakfast time, we are going to have between blueberry Cheerios or these Vibrant Oats, which I really want to try these because they look so blue. So let's do these. You can definitely see that it's a little blue. Add water to fill line and cook for 60 to 75 seconds. Got it. Where's the fill line? That's so weird. Usually they have the fill line inside of it, but they have it on the outside. So I feel like it's like kind of hard to tell when to stop. I don't know. Right there. Whoa. Okay then, it's definitely blue. Okay guys, I'm actually so shocked. Like, look at how blue this is. This is so cool. I feel like it makes eating oatmeal way more fun. Actually does look like the picture. Like, what? Oh, ow, hot. Oh, I forgot the granola. It came with this granola. Let's add it in there. Oh, that smells so good. That's what it looks like. That's so hot. And we have our iced caffeine. Okay, let's try this. Flavor it. Oh. The flavor is blueberry lemon. That's actually really good. I'm kind of weird. I don't really like oatmeal this thick. I like soupy oatmeal. I would just add almond milk to it, but honestly the taste is really good. I don't really taste the lemon. This is definitely gonna fill me up because it has like 35 grams of carbs. We love that. So far, we're doing good. Breakfast, check. Hello. Oh. My tripod just like went down. Okay, let's try that again. I'm getting a little hungry, thinking it's snack time. I actually grabbed this bar. Also ignore my nails, they are not looking too good. It's the Luna Blueberry Bliss nutrition bars. I've never tried this before, so I'm excited to see. Ooh, wait, this isn't blue. I mean, there's a little bit of blueberries in it, so I guess it's okay. Whatever, let's try it. And this tastes really unhealthy. Wow, it's actually not that bad for you. This is so good. Yogurt on the bottom or something. But wow. So bomb. Lunchtime. Also, I changed because I just wanted to be comfy. It's really cute and it's blue, so I was like, okay, cool. It is lunchtime. So for lunch, we're gonna have some blueberry Cheerios, and then I also wanna try out this mug treats, blueberry muffin. This thing that I showed earlier, which I didn't even think was an actual thing. Like, did this just come out? I don't know, but it says ready in about 1 minute. It says all you need is 3 tablespoons of water or milk and a mug. Wow, this is crazy. But I know the main part of it isn't blue, but I really just wanted to try this. It's blueberry, okay? Blue. Yeah, let's make this right now. This one's kind of cute. It comes with the muffin mix, and then it has the toppings. Sorry, you can't really see me. This is such a weird angle. So it says empty muffin mix into microwave safe mug. That smells so good. Sorry, I'm like trying to cover up my booth so I don't have to blur it while editing. It says add 3 tablespoons of water or milk. I think I'm gonna choose milk. 1, 2, 3. And then it says stir until muffin mix is well blended. So I have blue food coloring, and I feel like I should like add a drop just because, you know. Much better. Oh my God. Microwave for 1 minute and 10 seconds. Oh my gosh, guys. That's what it looks like. Now we're gonna add the topping. Let me get a close up. Oh my gosh, why am I like this? Guys, can I please just show you? Expectation versus reality. What is that? It is time to try it. Very weird looking. I'm trying to show you guys. Whoa. Smells good. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Guys, wow. This is really good. Oh my goodness. It's fully cooked. What? It does not look very appetizing. This is so good. I just don't like the fact that it's 320 calories, but you know, it's okay. It literally tastes amazing. Now onto my Cheerios. Why are these purple? It tastes like Cheerios, but like a hint of something, but not blueberry. I'm also gonna have this Powerade, which has 0 sugar because I knew I was gonna eat a lot of sugar today, so I was like, okay. That's good. This definitely makes me want to try the other flavors. Like they had confetti, cookie dough, like a whole bunch of other ones. So I definitely want to try more of these. This has 47 grams of sugar. Exactly why I got sugar-free Powerade. My goodness. Officially, am I okay? It is officially dinner time, and I have this urge to make blue noodles. I feel like this video is just me using blue food coloring, but I'm trying, okay? This is in a blue container. I just have this urge to make blue mac and cheese noodles. Does that not sound good? So I thought we would make some. Please don't be bad. Okay, let's make these. In the meantime, while that is heating up, I'm gonna snap on some blueberries. Don't forget to wash your berries because there could be like parasites or something in them, okay? Whoops. Oh my gosh. There we go. It's literally so nice in Seattle right now. Like this whole summer, it's pretty much been raining, and we finally been getting like sunny days. If you live in Seattle, you know my pain. It sucks over the rain. I honestly could eat this whole thing. Yup. Like look how nice it is outside. Can we just pretend that these were naturally blue? It's magic. We have our blue noodles. It just tastes like noodles. That's it. I'm gonna try to eat like Trisha Paytas for like 10 seconds. Ready? That's all I got. Now for dessert time. Coconut and marshmallow colored chocolate cake. I've never tried these. They honestly don't look that good to me. It reminds me of Easter. That's what it looks like. I don't know. Oh, that's what it looks like inside. But once you hit the chocolate, it is so good. I just don't like the outside. And then I think I've tried these, but these are the Sour Punch Bites and Blue Raspberry. There we go. This is what they look like. Wow. Now these are a yes. I feel disgusting from all the sugar. I feel like sugar is coming out of my pores right now. I'm done. I hope my trainer's not watching this. That's everything, guys. Oh my goodness. I kind of cheated putting the food coloring in there, but I just had the urge to make blue noodles. I don't know why. Comment below letting me know if there's any other colors you guys want me to do because I will do them. I really want to do yellow. I feel like there's a lot of yellow food. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. It's just a little bell thing, so definitely click it. We are done and I'm over sugar. I never thought I would say that, but I feel like shit.